Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're turning normal nail polish into gel polish. First, I'm gonna give a quick shout out to KG1. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos, and if you want to be featured in the next shout out, comment something down below. So first we're gonna do some nail prep. This is just gonna make the manicure a lot more clean and last longer. So first I just pushed back my cuticles and scraped it off my nail plate. And then I'm just gonna buff my nails. You can do this manicure on your natural nails, but mine were really short, so I just put fake nails on. Also just buff the free edge as well. And then these are the tips I'm gonna use. I am going to show you how to get an almond shape really easily. So just for now, attach the nails with blue tack. And then take a whiteboard marker and draw on the almond shape. The good thing is, if you make a mistake, you can just wipe it off. This method helps all the nails be even, which was really hard for an almond shape. Next, just trim the length and also the sides, following your guidelines. This method also works for cuffing. Then file it smooth. This bit just really sharpens the almond look. Next, I just use some glue dots to attach them to my nails. This is a good alternative if you don't want to damage your nails. And now to get the gel look. Take a regular base coat and apply 2 thick coats. This is going to create a nice thick base. And also wait 5 to 10 minutes between each layer, because they are thick, so they are going to take longer to dry. Thicker nail polishes work best for this method. Next, take your colored nail polish. I chose this nude color and I applied 2 thick coats. Be careful not to flood your cuticles, and if you do, just take a brush and dip it into some nail polish remover and then use this to take off the excess polish. Next, take a glossy tackle and apply a nice thick layer on top. It's best to float the nail polish over the nail, because this will really bring out the gel look. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Bye!